Industrial IoT, IoT revolutionizing the future of industry. The Industrial Internet of Things, IoT, is a transformative technology that integrates internet-connected devices, sensors, software, and data analytics into industrial environments. Often described as a backbone of Industry 4.0, IoT enables machines, systems, and people in factories, energy plants, logistics centers, and other industrial settings to communicate, collaborate, and optimize operations in real time. Unlike consumer IoT, which focuses on smart homes and personal devices, IoT is tailored for industrial use cases, where reliability, scalability, and security are critical. It helps organizations improve efficiency, reduce downtime, enhance safety, and unlock new levels of productivity through automation and intelligent decision-making. How IoT works. At its core, IoT relies on the integration of smart sensors and devices installed on machinery and equipment. These devices gather data such as temperature, vibration, pressure, humidity, or motion. Connectivity. Data is transmitted through wired or wireless networks, including Ethernet, 5G, LPWAN, or industrial protocols like Modbus or OPC-UA. Data processing platforms. Cloud or edge computing systems analyze data in real time using machine learning or AI algorithms. User interfaces, dashboards, and analytics tools allow operators, engineers, and managers to monitor performance, receive alerts, and make informed decisions. Key applications of IoT. Predictive maintenance. By continuously monitoring equipment health, IoT can detect early signs of wear or failure, allowing maintenance teams to fix issues before they cause unplanned downtime. Process optimization. Real-time data helps fine-tune industrial processes, reduce energy consumption, and increase output with minimal waste. Remote monitoring and control. Industrial operations can be supervised and controlled remotely, increasing flexibility and reducing the need for on-site presence. Supply chain and asset tracking. IoT enables real-time visibility into inventory levels, asset location, and shipment status, improving logistics and delivery performance. Worker safety and compliance. Smart sensors and wearables help detect hazardous conditions, monitor worker movements, and ensure compliance with safety protocols. Benefits of industrial IoT. Increased operational efficiency. Automated data collection and analysis reduce human error and streamline workflows. Cost savings. Preventive maintenance and optimized resource use lower operational and repair costs. Data-driven decision-making. Access to real-time analytics enhances strategic planning and response. Enhanced product quality. Continuous monitoring improves consistency and reduces defects in manufacturing. Greater agility. IoT enables rapid adaptation to market changes, production demands, and supply chain disruptions. Challenges of IoT. Despite its potential, IoT adoption comes with challenges. Cybersecurity risks. Connecting critical industrial systems to the internet increases vulnerability to cyber threats. Integration complexity. Legacy systems often need upgrades or replacements to work with modern IoT platforms. High initial costs. Implementation may require significant investment in hardware, software, and training.